Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this 2015 Grand Design Reflection 29 RS triple slide super light fifth wheel. Go ahead and get started on the inside and then finish up by showing you the outside. Overall exterior length is 30 feet 11 inches, and the exterior height to the large 15,000 BTU AC unit is 12 feet, and the unloaded vehicle weight is exactly 8,526 pounds. That is the UVW, or unloaded vehicle weight. That is what it weighed when it came off the assembly line. I'll give you an idea of the floor plan here before I get started. This is a one-owner coach. The only reason why the owners are selling this is because they are done with the RV lifestyle. Alright, let's start off on this super slide here. Super slide is going to be a good 12 foot long and 3 foot deep. Accommodates the theater seating, recliner sofa. And it's ultra leather. I will point out one area inside this camper, and it's right here. Little wear. I'm not sure what it is, but anyway, the owners had like a little cover, duvet cover or whatever, or I'm sorry, just a blanket covering that up. But anyway, it's a non-issue. It's just, I find it important to point that out. It is ultra leather, brown color, and again, that's the only sign of wear inside this coach. Also in the super slide is the freestanding table and chairs, and the chairs do have storage up underneath, which is really cool. And this is an extension table. You can pull this out. There's an add-a-leaf in here, so you can make this possibly seat 6 people if you want that option. You've got it. And show off your window treatments there. This is a super light, so they keep the weight down using a lot of fabrics when they can. Okay. Walking towards the rear, you do have I believe that's going to be a hide-a-bed. It's going to be a tri-fold hide-a-bed sofa. Anyway, this coach, they're saying it sleeps 6, but I'm going to say 4. You could, if you wanted to, take this out, sleep a kiddo there, but a floor plan is saying it's sleep 6. But that is ultra leather, brown in color. Do want to point out 110 outlets all over this coach, down at the bottom on each side of the sofa. Outlets, huge big rear bay window, and the color on the cabinets, I believe they're going to be like a maple, glazed maple. And the hardware is going to be maybe some kind of a dark bronze or something. LED lights all throughout the coach. Saves you on your battery. There's your ducted 15,000 BTU AC unit. Furnace on this coach is going to be 35,000 BTU furnace. More than enough for this coach. Almost 31 feet in length. It's going to be your second slide out. Accommodates the entertainment center, the fireplace, and the kitchen. Not sure what size of TV that is. It may be a 32 inch and 5,000 BTU fireplace. And when it's plugged in, there's a nice light ambiance right there, and you do have stereo, Bluetooth ready, capable of hooking up to smart devices. It's back to your end, by the way. Lots of storage. Owner says he does have a second DVD player. Refrigerator's going to be, looks like an 8 cubic foot Atwood refrigerator, gas electric. Some of these super lights will only give you a 6 cubic foot, but that does look like an 8 cubic foot, which is nice. Also in the super slide, your stove, 3-burner gas cooktop. Front burner is usually high output. This is going to be a nice glass lid for more counter space. You do have solid surface countertops, not wrapped or Formica tops, all throughout the camper. That's definitely nice. Microwave. We're not hooked up to 110, so usually I show that the digital readout's working if we're hooked up to 110. Let me kind of back up here and show off that island kitchen. And 110 outlet there up underneath the solid surface countertop. Definitely going to be one of the nicest countertops you're going to find in a super light. Undermounted stainless steel double bowl sink. Pull out sprayer faucet and kind of back up around here. 110 outlet right there. Nice hutch area. Lots of cabinets. All your drawer fronts are all going to be solid wood, and again, I believe it's going to be some kind of a glazed maple. Beautiful cabinets, by the way. Going up into the side aisle hallway. This is a walk-through bath floor plan. Porcelain foot flush toilet or china toilet. Beautiful neo-angle walk-in shower, glass enclosed, by the way. These super lights, a lot of times they'll just give you a plastic curtain, which is nice. Definitely a nice shower for a super light. And you do have skylight. Kind of back up, show this vanity area here. And a medicine cabinet, not just a mirror. Super lights will sometimes just give you a mirror. Alright, this is going to be your third slide out, walking into the walk-through bath, into the master bedroom. And third slide out is going to be mostly closets. Kind of get the idea of that. Queen bed, full walk-around queen bed. Queen bed does lift up, storage up underneath. Beautiful reader lights on each side of the bed. I do also want to point out you have 110 outlets on each side of the bed, so if you have a sleep app machine or you have a smart device you want to charge, you've got that option. I do check all coaches for water damage. Look up in the corners, all four corners, open up the cabinets, look for any wrinkling in the wallboard. Did not find any issues. This coach is definitely in great condition. Here's where your TV would go if you wanted to put a TV in the bedroom. Show off, you do have a solid wood pocket door. Again, super light. They would probably just give you just a little plastic accordion door. Let's go ahead and I just want to show you what it looks like. Walk into the bathroom from the bedroom. Exhaust fan there. You do have the vents over the vent covers, MaxxAir vent covers on the roof, which means you can actually leave the vents open and not worry about rain coming in. And I'll show that to you when we get outside. All right, almost passed up the thermostat. Thermostat control here for your AC and your heat. Pretty easy to figure out. This is going to be your command center here. Up top left corner of the command center, it's going to be your monitor panel for your battery, for your freshwater tank, which I believe is going to be 60-gallon freshwater tank, holding tank. Your black tank is going to be, I believe, a 43-gallon black tank, which is your toilet, and your gray tank is going to be, it's going to be right at 75 gallons, I believe. And that's your gray tanks or your sink and your shower. Looks like your awning button to the right of the monitor panel, and just below the awning button, you do have a 6-gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater. The two red switches on the right, flip those switches on whether you're boondocking or hooked up to shore power. You've got hot water within 10 to 15 minutes, and the lights to the left of that, and water pump switch, pretty easy, and more lights. And down at the bottom, your 3 power slide out switches. Okay, let's go outside. All right, give you an idea of the floor plan here, or the outside condition. Fiberglass exterior to gel coat finish, aluminum frame sidewall construction. Show off that front molded fiberglass cap. They're showing a little bit of sign on the decal, like little rock chips. I don't know if you see the little white specks, but I'm very particular when I do my walkarounds. I show anything that could be a concern to anybody who's looking for an absolute 100% showroom condition coach. Your tinted windows are going to be 80% tint. Your awning, I believe, is going to be a 16-foot power awning with LED lights, strips. All the LEDs are working. And 2 30-pound LP tanks right here, one on each side. I'm one-handed. See if I can open up this slam latch baggage door. And you do have magnets to hold up the door. You don't have those plastic clips anymore. Those are definitely a neat idea. Should have came up with it a long time ago. Okay, there's your aluminum framing. Look at that. Battery kill switch. Turn off your battery, disconnect it when you're storing it. And you are heated in this compartment area, which is unheard of usually on an ultralight or super light. Slam latch baggage doors, gotta love them. Aluminum steps, they won't rust or bind up. 15-inch aluminum alloy wheels, tires are in excellent shape. One of the hubs on the driver's side, I'll show you, popped off anyway. Beautiful aluminum alloy wheels. You do have the EqualFlex system on this, which is basically smoother ride, and you do have correct track. So you're always running true. Outside kitchen with the dorm style fridge. Looks like never been used. Another TV. So you have two TVs on this coach, and looks like maybe a 19-inch TV, and slam latch baggage door. Back up here, show the view from the rear front. There's going to be your Max Air vent cover I was talking about on the roof, so you keep your vents open while it's raining. I did check this coach for delamination, scratches, anything that could be a concern on the outside. Did not find any issues. Ladder to get up on your full walk-on roof to service your large 15,000 BTU AC unit. You do have a nice little hitch here. If you want to put a cargo rack on the back, you can do that. I do want to point out this coach is equipped with the Arctic insulation package. You have enclosed heated underbelly. Your gate valves are all protected in the heated compartment area. And on a super light, a lot of times that's unheard of. Beautiful coach. All the decals are in excellent condition. There's going to be that hub I was talking about, the rear hub there. Just the cap cover came off. Anyway, probably $10 part. And pop it right back on. There's your reflection badge there by Grand Design. It's going to be your 50 amp power cord hookup right here. This is 50 amp standard, I believe, maybe been 30 amp, but definitely 50 amp. So you can put a second AC on this coach. 6-gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater. This is your furnace exhaust. It's going to be your pass-through storage. Owners have it all loaded up, but anyway, you get the idea. I just showed you the other side in the beginning of the video, showing you the front side. Outside shower. You do have all your gate valves are all in the heated compartment area, so you can go into extended seasons with this coach. It's going to be where you hook up your water and flip it over from city to holding tank. And let's see here. Easy to winterize too. Follow these directions right here, and pretty easy to winterize. Self-explanatory. You do have a nice service light there. Oh, you do have a service light in that cargo compartment over there. I forgot to turn that off. Black tank sewer flush, and it rinses out your toilet tank. And this is going to be 110 outlets. Water pump here, which is nice. Anyway, you get the idea. And this is a heated compartment area. It's going to be your second 30-pound LP tank or bottle. All right. I'll back up here, kind of show off what it looks like from the rear front, or front rear. Beautiful camper. Kind of do one last walk around before I finish up this video. I'd also check out for stress cracks. Check out the coaches for stress cracks around the slide outs, usually in the corners of the slide outs. Sometimes on some manufacturers you'll find little cracks, and it's caused by flexing going down the road. Find it important to look for that stuff. A lot of times these dealers won't tell you this stuff. All right. If you want to come see the camper, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. If you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube.